Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the very cool looking Boris from Ice Cream 4. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So to begin, we're going to draw in the overall head shape first. We're going to draw in the top first. So for the top, it's just going to be pretty much a semicircle. Okay, once you have the top, now we're going to bracket down for the side of the face. And then from here, we're going to pinch it in. So it's going to be much sharper on the bottom. And that's going to give us the head shape. And I know this is a little bit tricky, this kind of basic shapes. All right, and then from here, now we're going to draw in the nose. So right in the middle of this, just going to draw in an egg shape on its side. And then from the nose, we can draw in the eyeglasses. So we can come up from the nose right here. We can draw two little lines. Now we'll go out to the sides. And then just round it out. So this will give us the eyeglass shape. And I guess we have to connect this. All right, and then his eye is gonna be right behind it. It's a little bit strange. So I'm gonna start here. Just go to right to the corner of this. So this is gonna be all black. Okay, so same thing here. Curve, go all the way down here. All right, and then from here now we can draw in the bottom of the face. So right here, got those two cheeks. One line, this is going to be the top of the mouth or the lip. And now we come all the way down. So he's got a big smile. And then on the inside for his tongue, it's one curve. And this part's gonna be black, so let me shade this in as well. That way we can see the face a lot better. Okay, and then if you want to add in the little cheeks right here. Okay, so there's two little egg shapes. All right, so that's the head, and now let's draw in the body. And the body looks complicated, but it's actually pretty easy because it's just, it's very angular. Okay, so let's start here, right here on the cheeks. Shoulder's gonna be way up here. Now we're gonna come all the way down. This is gonna be a suit. Okay, so just come in slightly. And now we're gonna finish up the suit, so come back up here. We're just gonna curve all the way down to this point here. So that's gonna be a suit. Come up here. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of his pants. And now we can draw in the tie. So this is very simple here. Okay, so for the knot, just come down and then flare out. Just angle this, close everything off. And then for the collars, very simple. Come down and then just go back up. Just tuck it right underneath the collar right there, the suit. And then for the suit collar, so just come out here. Easy way to draw this is just draw a little bracket like this, a little angle, and then on the top, go up. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna go all the way down to the corner here. Okay, so that's the suit, and let's You know what? Let's go ahead and join the legs and then we'll join the arms later because he has those really big arms. All right, so for the leg, it's very simple. Right in the middle of this, let's draw a little line and then I'm just gonna come down. Right here, come down and then just close this off. So that's gonna be one of his legs. And then for his shoe, come down in the center. This one's gonna go out and then close it off. All right, and then for some details, start right in the middle of this curve and just add a little curve coming all the way down. All right, so now let's draw in the arms. So the arm is very easy as well. We're gonna come all the way down here. So here's the shoulder. Come down. Just come in, just close it off. So he's got those really large arms. So let's just go ahead and draw on this side. We'll close that off. Now for his hand, just gonna add a little square right here first. Closer to the outside. That's his arm, and then we'll extend this line. Now we can join the hand. So just come down, just add a little curve like this. That's actually gonna be his thumb. Come down, stop short, and then just come right in. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit strange. And then for the fingers right here, outside, just gonna come down and then just curve it, round it, just go back up. So it's almost like a little hook. For the other finger, just draw a little curve on the back, and then the tip we're gonna see in here. Okay, so now let's draw in the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna extend this. Again, for the thumb, come down, just round it up, close it off. Come down, again, stop a little short, close that off. And then now for the fingers, come down, curve, round, and then just go up. So same thing here, one little curve, and then we're gonna see the tip of the finger here. All right, and then lastly, for some details, just to make it look a little cooler, we'll add a little fold here for the suit. And that is it for this Boris. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.